Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to install and set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced programmer, IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful and user-friendly IDE that can greatly enhance your coding experience. So first of all, go to JetBrains website. I'll provide link in description and then download the exe file. After downloading it, you have to install it. I already have it installed, so I'll open it. When you open IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, it will ask you to log in with JetBrains accounts. So go to JetBrains and create a new account. I'll provide this link in the description, and then you have to fill out this form. I will use GitHub to log in. Enter your GitHub credentials. I will enter code from my mail. After that, authorize JetBrains to GitHub account. Make sure your GitHub account is from school account, or you have to fill this form with school account. Over here you have to fill school account, usually with school domain. Accept the agreement and apply. You can see it is asking me to renew because I already have account. In your case, it will provide you license, or maybe it will send you mail. You can check your mail. Once your license is activated, you can log in to IntelliJ IDEA with JetBrains account. Now I will log in to JetBrains with GitHub account. In next video, I'll show you how you can connect SQLite database to Java and perform different operations. Now login is successful, and you have to activate this license. You can see I have license now, and I can access IntelliJ IDEA interface. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.